In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up service calendars, rooms, and equipment in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a clean booking system that protects your time and prevents resource conflicts. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard. Open Settings, then select Calendars to work inside the scheduling area. Create a new calendar and choose the Service Calendar option, which is designed for bookings tied to services rather than team members. Next, fill out the basic details. Give your calendar a clear, descriptive name and add a short description that tells clients what the appointment includes. Pick your meeting location, Zoom, Google Meet, or a custom location if you host in person. Create a custom URL for the booking link so it's easy to share and remember. A tidy, branded link helps reduce confusion and improves the client experience. Set your availability by choosing the days and hours you want to accept bookings. Define your appointment duration and add buffer time before or after each session to account for prep, travel, or wrap-up notes. Buffers are essential for staying on schedule and avoiding back-to-back overload. Quick note before we continue. You'll find the GoHighLevel website link and the mobile app download link if you prefer using the app, right at the top of the description so you can follow along or set this up later. Now, configure rooms inside the same service calendar settings. Open the Room section, add a room, name it something clear like Room 1 or Studio A, and set an optional capacity if you host groups. Save the room. Rooms let you run multiple appointments at the same time as long as a room is available, which is perfect for locations with several spaces. Move to Equipment. Open the Equipment section, add a piece of equipment, name it, like camera, chair, or bed, and enter how many are available. Save it. Equipment tracking prevents overbooking your limited resources, so two clients aren't fighting for the same camera or massage table. Assign your resources in the calendar by selecting which rooms are available for the service, then choose the equipment required and specify how many units can be used per booking. For example, a photo session might require one studio room and one camera. This ensures every confirmed appointment has what it needs. When everything looks right, click Save. Share your custom booking link, test a sample booking, and confirm that availability, rooms, and equipment behave as expected. That's it. You've set up a smart, reliable service calendar in GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.